Hello everyone. Our project name is Aptitude Easy app. Our team consists of two members, myself Shainata and my teammate Diksha. As the name indicates aptitude easy, we make learning aptitude easily. Nowadays, importance of aptitude is increasing gradually in the field of work or in the field of higher studies, etc. It has been a gateway for many of the works or higher studies. Now coming to our app. Okay, it's displaying with the logo and the name of it, Aptitude Easy. Then the register page opens up. The user who have not created his account can create his account in this page. If an user is already registered, he can move to login page, then log in himself. Next, come into the third page of our mini project. We can say it as a home page too. We have created three sections of it and plus one more section for taking the quiz test. Come on to the first section, that is logical reasoning. Next is quantitative aptitude. The third one is verbal ability. Then the last one is take test. Come on to the first one, that is logical reasoning. It consists of all the logical reasoning questions. And to say that we have used Android Studio and front end as our XML design and backend Java, as well as we have made use of the database, that is Firebase. And coming to the logical reasoning section, it has got questions with solutions. We have displayed some of the questions and also a property of navigation to it. Then a question with the answer is displayed. All of the logical reasoning questions. User can come into this section and study all the logical reasoning questions. Next, coming to quantitative aptitude. It is also a particular section of aptitude, quantitative aptitude. We have also created some of the questions. We have displayed some of the questions here. Displayed a few questions here, and that's quantitative aptitude questions. And okay, all of the questions are retrieved from the database itself. Next, coming to verbal ability. Same technique is being used for all the three sections. The navigation property is used here. Then the questions as well as the solutions are put into the screen. Next, coming to take test option. Okay. How this it's going to work is there are four options. You can click one of them. The right one would give you the green symbol. Then the next one would give you, if it's wrong, it would also denote it with the color of red. Then yeah, it's going like this. We have included 10 questions, and the score section is at the end. That is the score, how many you have got it right. The score section also displays the score. Then go back to home. It's a text button we have put into it. Once again comes back to the home section, and all the if user interested in any one of the sections, you can go back to it. And this is all about our project. And thank you.